Good afternoon. I'm about to show you guys my video on how to cook rice cauliflower. What I'm going to do is make chicken fried rice but without the rice. Today I'm going to try to cook some healthy chicken fried rice. Healthy, what I'm going to use is what they call it rice veggies, which is basically cauliflower rice. It's cauliflower ground up so it looks like rice, a bunch of mixed vegetables. That right there. Could put some mushrooms in here. Right there. Some turkey sausage. And have some pre-ground chicken breasts. Oh, and all egg whites. Alright, let's see how it goes. Just gonna put this up. Real simple. Like that. First thing first, cut it in half, and keep my finger safe. Cut, cut. I guess so is my finger. You can't see me at all. Now I'm about to prepare the vegetables. See, there you go. You see me cutting the onions. Here, check your fingers. Chop, chop, chop. Chopped. Start it just a little bit. There we go. Also, I'm going to go ahead and put some low sodium soy sauce. It's all in there, yeah. Get going. And next, okay, once you drop in the onions I just cut out. Soak up that stuff. Move around a little bit. Let's overheat. Cauliflower. Oops. Whole bag of there, it's frozen. Put that in there. Little onion powder, you can have onions. And some garlic powder. There we go. Stir that all up. See? Right there. I have my sausage a little crispy. Back here. Medium. Okay, and there we have it. We have the final meal. Stirred cauliflower rice. Healthy meal for us all.
Please keep the other leg on the ground when lifting one leg up.